Hello everyone, welcome to Faisal Television YouTube channel. Today I have this Samsung 43-inch Smart 4K TV. The problem is no display. So I turn on. No display. Model number UA43RU7100K. Let's get started. I will show you how to repair. This is two FFC cable, left and right. And this is DC to DC IC. This is power supply. So I will block some lines from this side. This for no display and this is for double image flaking problem. So first of all I block some pins from this side, then I will show you. So I already blocked some pins from 8 to 18 pins. I already blocked. Now let's try. Okay, done. This is Samsung 43-inch 4K Smart TV. Repair no display problem. No lines, no flaking. If you like this video, kindly share, like and comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.